and welcome to Cooking with Craig. I'm going to try a recipe that I haven't done before, but it seems fairly simple. We're going to make some peanut butter cookies. So, start with the peanut butter. And we're going to add the butter. That is a cup of butter. See how well I can do that. Not bad. So a cup of white sugar, and half. So far so good. Then the brown sugar goes in. Very handy, those. So next is 2 eggs. This is. One and 2. One and a half baking soda. You know what? Don't even use the 1 cup. I need 5 half cups. Let's remember that, shall we? Remind me if I forget. I need 4 more. One cup worth. 1.5. Two. And that's 2.5. And 2.5 cups of flour. And that's all the ingredients. Okay. And there we go. That is done. What we're going to do is rest this in the fridge for half an hour. It helps the dough to firm up a bit, and it also helps the sugars to dissolve in this, because you'll notice there's not a lot of wet in this. There's the peanut butter, and there's the butter, and there's the eggs. That's all the real wet there is. Everything else is dry. So it's going to take a little bit of time to combine, so we're going to give this some time. So we'll be back in an hour to do the next step. And it has been an hour now, and the dough is firmed up. I have parchment lined baking sheet because parchment line makes it easier, and we're basically just going to make some roughly 1-inch balls, or maybe a little bigger. So you'll find this isn't very sticky. If I recall from seeing peanut butter cookies in the past, I don't think they spread a lot. I could be wrong on that. Again, this is like, you're seeing the first process. I find a recipe or develop a recipe. This time I found a recipe, went looking for, I have peanut butter. What kind of cookies can I make? Peanut butter cookies, duh. So went hunting through recipes. Take one, and then I give my spin on it and get the methodology down and see what's the easiest way to do it. And that is what gets passed along to you guys. The easy way that I found. So we're going to preheat the oven. It's actually going right now to 375 degrees. And these are going to go in for 10 minutes-ish. Okay, you know this. This is, I think this is like the law, pretty much. You have to do this to peanut butter cookies. You must push them down with a fork and crisscross them. That's just, it's baking law. If you don't do it this way, the baking FBI will come to your door. Wow, that's right. These are peanut butter hashtag cookies. These better turn out well, because I'm getting really hungry for peanut butter cookies now. Are you? Stick them in the oven for 10 minutes. Back in a second. Guess what? They spread more than I thought they would. We have one giant cookie, I think. I'm sure they'll separate when they cool. I hope. If not, well, we have one giant cookie. I'll spread these. I have already spread these ones out a little farther. Maybe I'll do a little more again. These ones in the middle look a little dangerous yet. More space on them. So, answer to that question, when you make them, leave a good couple inches around them, because they are going to spread quite a bit. So like a cookie like that is going to go about there. So the two of those probably just touch, that's fine. Oh, I opened that door now. It smells very peanut buttery in here. So let's see here. Yeah. They're one cookie. Pull it off like that. Quickly grab this. Pull these ones on. And these ones go in for 10 minutes. No one likes hot right out of the oven cookies. What? I'm just going to use the spatula and take them up. It's just easier to pull that entire parchment off and just put that on the wire rack and let it cool there. That's how I do recipes the first time out. There's a little bit of a learning process. These are things that I would have not done, so to show you the proper way, and I showed you the wrong way instead, which is fine, because you see, don't do what I did. Leave a little more space around them than I did, or don't make the balls quite so big. Other than that, that is peanut butter cookies. Fairly simple mix to make and quick to bake. So give it a try. If you do, let me know. Stay safe. Stay over there. And we'll see you next time.